Thank you, teacher. Bang. Oh, the lights are still on. We should switch them off to save energy. You really have to. It's just one loop. Of course, we must save energy. Wasting it is bad for the earth. But what if someone come back soon? We could just leave the light on.
No, we shouldn't waste electricity for a short time.
Actually, everyone should remember turning off the light is easy. Okay, I get it. Next time, I must switch them off before leaving. Turn off the light, save our earth.
And thirdly, I could just get another plastic bottle from the store.
You really shouldn't do that. Plastic bottle creates so much waste.
Yeah, you should bring your own cup or bottle. It's not that hard.
But carrying a cup every end is heavy. I do we have to do it.
Because plastic pollution is a big problem, we must change our plastic if we want to save the planet. But what if I forget my cup?
Then you could borrow one from a friend or refill at the water station.
Exactly. You really should try is about building a habit.
Mm, maybe I could decorate my cup to make it fun too. Really?
Great idea. And we must encourage our partners to do the same.
Be in your own house to save the earth. And use bringing a cloth bag instead of using so many plastic bags.
But plastic bags will really good. I can use them so fast later. True, but we shouldn't rely on plastic all the time. It has in environment. Yeah, we must thank for the earth. Get angry with us.
And think about money too. If you have to pay for back, you shouldn't waste it.
Maybe I will try a course like big time.
Great, even small action could make the world better. We must do that. We must save the environment. Everyone should start by using cloth bags. You don't have to be a perfect, but step could help our planet.
Nature is our greatest gift. We must protect it. We should respect it. And we have to take action every day. Together, we could make the world greener. Remember, take care of nature, and nature will take care of you.